Introducing AESCryptor, for when just in case, means if this gets out, I'm toast. Wrap your sensitive data in AES 128, 192, or 256-bit encryption, and make sure it stays locked up tighter than that thing you don't talk about. AESCryptor integrates directly into your project using Blueprint nodes or C++ functions. Enjoy high-level security with easy setup, suitable for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Encrypting and decrypting data is as easy as dragging and dropping nodes. Set your plaintext, choose your key, and generate a secure encrypted string. Need to decrypt it? Simply match the key and initialization vector and recover your original message in seconds. Need help along the way? Our detailed documentation covers everything from key sizes to initialization vector settings. Ready to secure your Unreal Engine projects with AESCryptor? Download it today from the FAB Marketplace and take your data security to the next level. Still have questions? Didn't read the docs? No worries, reach out to us. We're here to help you become the data security expert you always pretended to be. AESCryptor, because trusting people is overrated.